Right, what we have here is a teddy bear with a microwave sensor inside. If I move my hand, it lights up. If I walk towards it, it will start to change colours. Right, as you can see, it's changing colours. But if I stop, keep still, it will stop. It's very, very sensitive. I move my hand, bang. It keeps changing colours till the movement stops. It goes by movement, makes no noise, it's silent, just goes by movement. These are ideal in a locked off area. Obviously if you're in an area, this is ideal. You want to put this upstairs and you investigate downstairs, otherwise you will set it off. Stick a camera on it and any movement, it will start to light up. All right. Thank you.